Psychological technique to ignore a girl and make her chase you. Here's a psychological technique you can use during the early stages of getting to know a girl who seems hard to get. The idea is to ignore her temporarily and focus on yourself. When you're trying to get her attention, cut off contact for a while. Don't meet or text her. Instead, focus on your own life. Do things that help you grow, like working out to get a fit and ideal body, working hard to save more money, or learning new skills that can become future income sources. Once you've built a great physique, increased your savings, and acquired new skills, you can occasionally meet the girl you're interested in. Remember, occasionally means not too often. Treat her to a meal, have a conversation, ask about her life, and give just enough attention. After that, distance yourself again and refocus on self-improvement. Keep working out, working hard, and honing new skills. She will get curious when you suddenly disappear and miss your attention. This curiosity will make her seek you out and wonder what you're up to. When she learns that you're focusing on self-improvement, she will be impressed and see you as a man with clear life goals. Eventually, she might start chasing you. The key here is to remember that something easily obtained is often undervalued. If she constantly gets your attention, she won't see it as special. But if you give her attention only occasionally, she'll value it more. 3 important points to remember when trying this psychological technique. 1. Don't act too indifferent or ignore her for too long, or she might think you're not interested and leave. 2. If she remains uninterested after you've used this technique, move on or skip. It means she's not into you, and you shouldn't waste your time. Even if you don't win her over, you'll have improved yourself. 3. Don't misuse this trick to hurt or manipulate women, as it could backfire on you. Use it positively or with someone you genuinely care about. Good luck, and I hope this helps.